Hey guys, this is your how to complete this video for Tuesday, December 1st, Math Independent Assignment. So I'm in Google Classroom and I'm under classwork. I'm going to find the one that says Tuesday, December 1st, Math Independent Assignment. I'm going to click on it. This video will be posted here. It says watch the video first, complete the assignment, and then turn it in. This assignment is due by Tuesday, December 1st at midnight. It is worth 6 points. So you're going to click and you're going to complete. But first I want to explain something. So we talked about this a little bit during math today. Remember, and we've talked about it before, remember that when I'm dividing decimals by tens or powers of tens, when I divide a decimal, the number gets smaller. When I multiply by tens or powers of tens, the number gets bigger. So what I'm going to do is I have this decimal 59 6/10 divided by 10 to the second power. So the exponent, the 2, tells me how many places this decimal moves to the left when I'm dividing. So this is, I'm just going to type it in here, 5 tens, 9 ones, and 6 tenths of a number. So the decimal is here and it is moving 2 places. So if it moves 1 place, 2 place, the new decimal is right here. So then I would type it in as 0.596. Remember, when I'm multiplying and dividing decimals by tens or powers of tens, these digits don't change. The only thing that moves is the decimal. Same thing with multiplication. So when I have an exponent, the exponent tells me how many places that decimal moves. When I have a 10 or 100 or 1,000 or 10,000, the number of zeros tells me how many places that decimal needs to move. So here there is 1 0. And I also notice that I'm multiplying. Remember, when you multiply, the number gets larger. So the decimal slides to the right. Well, how many places? There's 1 0, so 1 place. So first I have to type in the decimal here. In this number, I have 6 tens, 1 1, and 4 tenths of a number. Well, since I have a 1 0, this decimal is going to slide 1 spot to the right. So the decimal is here. If it slides 1 spot to the right, it's going to slide right back here past the tenths, between the tenths and the hundredths. So my new number is simply 614. That's it. Again, the digits don't change, the decimal does. So here, you're going to complete this one. You are multiplying. So that decimal is going to go to the right because the number gets larger. How many spots? Look at that exponent to tell you. You're dividing. So that decimal is going to slide to the left. How many spots? Look at the exponents. It tells you how many. 341 thousandths times 100. I'm multiplying. So that decimal is going to slide to the right because that number will get larger. How many spaces will it slide? I see 2 zeros here. So 2 spaces. And this one, I'm dividing. So that decimal is going to slide to the left because the number gets smaller. How many spaces will it slide? Look at the number of zeros that tells you. When you're done, you're going to go back to Google Classroom right here. You're going to click View Assignment and you're going to turn it in. Please make sure this is done by midnight on Tuesday, December 1st to get your 6 points.